Hey friends, well, it's Thanksgiving time, and Thanksgiving gives us something that we don't give ourselves enough of, and that's a pause. Space to step back and actually see our lives through a different lens. What we fail to look at is the difference between the gap and the gain. We focus too much on the gap. What's missing? What hasn't happened? What hasn't happened fast enough? Didn't get there. This goal didn't happen, and therefore I feel like I'm deficient, and things aren't happening fast enough. What we don't focus enough on is the gain. And the gain is, what have we accomplished? Where do we start? And where are we today? That gain is something, again, that goes back to gratitude, because we're always making progress. There's always going to be times when we step back a step, sometimes two steps, sometimes three steps. It's happened in my life. And it doesn't feel good, but there's always something good that does come out of those resets. 2025 has been a tough year across the economy. We have rising interest rates. We have margin pressure, contractions. We've got delayed exits in business exits. We have delayed exits in money coming out of syndications or funds. And yet, despite all this turbulence, we saw something remarkable inside this community, and that is you all adapted. We adapted. That's the mark of true navigators of your own frontier. And these are the gains that no market conditions can ever take away. Thanksgiving is a time for a built-in reset. It really is. Wherever you are, whoever you're going to be with, you know what I'm talking about. It is a pause. It is a time to reflect back and realize how much good there is in the world and how much good there is in the people around us. So here's a simple exercise I'd like you all to try. Very simple. Name 3 gains that you've had from 2025. Yes, you've got 3 gains. You've got many more, but just name 3. And then I want you to name 3 people who helped you get there, or helped you grow, helped you accomplish something, helped you make a maneuver, whatever it was, that a person who was there for you. And then choose one moment, just one moment, that you'd like to go back and relive, purely to appreciate that moment more. Because it's amazing how quickly that reframes everything. Let me remind you that Freedom Founders works because of the people, not because of the spreadsheets. Your greatest asset isn't a deal, it's not a yield, it's the wisdom, it's the perspective, and the accountability that come from this very tribe. This community compounds in ways that no balance sheet can ever quantify. A lot of people join Freedom Founders initially because they want to fix their financial way of life. Well, that's a piece and that's a part of it, but that's not everything. We've got the 5 freedoms built on getting to a financial aspect and milestones. But the real breakthrough comes from people and what they experience in their mindset shifts. People shift from fear to more clarity, and that gives a lot of peace of mind. From scarcity mindset to agency, taking control. And we see that in couples every time we have a blueprint weekend, how couples come together who didn't really work together in the past, and now they're focused on one clear vision. And then from reacting to things that happen in life to actually designing a life in spite of the things that happen in life. This is the foundation for every smart decision you'll make in 2026 and beyond. So I just want to say thank you. Thank you to each and every one of you who continue to step up, continue to lead, collaborate, and draw this tribe together. You stayed tuned in, engaged, and you're doing the work. Thank you for taking that action. Thank you to our advisors, our partners, our supporters, the people who also bring together the collective wisdom and experience in life that we can't get really anywhere else. Where else can you talk about the things in life that we get to talk about here and feel safe and not judged to do it? That's a clear-cut design for each one of us. We're looking to continue to maintain that freedom and autonomy in our lives, and you're doing it so well. So my hat off to you. Have a wonderful, wonderful Thanksgiving. I'll talk to you soon.